Hey guys, Josh Zamora here, and in this quick video, I'm just going to quickly walk you through what the upgrades are for Stoodaio, and we do have a total of 4, so I'll quickly walk you through what each of them are and what they consist of. So our first upgrade that you're going to see is our Stoodaio Agency Plus level. This is pretty much going to allow you to secure the discounted price that you received for the credits when it comes to Stoodaio. Since we do have our AI engine all throughout this app, it does cost a credit each time you use the AI writer as well as the AI rewriter. But during the special launch that we have, we are selling credits at a discount. All right, now our Stoodaio Agency Plus level allows you to secure that discount. And all you have to do is put down $1 to actually lock in that discount. And then after that, it's going to be $67 per month after 30 days have passed. And you will never be increased anymore after that, even if we do end up increasing it once we actually go public and start running paid traffic and all of that stuff. Since that is the main plan for Stoodaio. We will be taking this to the mainstream, running ads to it, and charging monthly right from the front end, okay? But your price will be locked in at the $67 per month. Okay. You'll also be getting triple the credits as a bonus at no extra cost. Okay, so this is one big bonus that we're not going to be offering any, at all after this special launch, where you can get 3 times the amount of credits, which means you can make 3 times the amount of videos, which means you can make 3 times the amount of profit if you're, selling videos to clients or you're using this for affiliate offers, whatever it may be. Being able to make 3 times the videos can just allow you to make that much more profit. And on top of that as well, which is not mentioned on here, you're going to be able to get faster encoding and exporting of your videos as well. So we're in the final touches of that. That's why I didn't add it, but it will be ready by the time you're watching this video, which means your videos will be rendered much faster, at least twice as fast as regular users. So just for example, if you have a 1-minute video, it should take 2 minutes for that video to render and have it completely ready. So you're going to get that expedited rendering process. Okay, that is a very expensive upgrade for us to be able to provide that, since everything is being handled on our server to do that for you. But you're going to get it as a bonus for securing your Stoodaio Agency Plus level. Okay, so that's upgrade number 1. Upgrade number 2 is our Stoodaio Booster feature. Okay, now this is pretty much going to be our agency booster feature. Since you are getting agency rights on the front end, this is going to allow you to take that to the next level. Okay, here you'll be able to create preview versions of your videos so that your clients can instantly see what their videos might look like, and then if they like it, boom, they can instantly pay you right on that page as well, since you'll be able to embed a buy button code from pretty much anywhere, whether you're using PayPal, Stripe, or whatever payment processor you use. You'll be able to take that embed button and put it under the video so they can pay you right away. And then on top of that, once you confirm that you received payment, you'll be able to generate a page with a delivery link that removes the preview so they can download their final video. Okay, which is, again, this is all hosted on our Stoodaio Pages system as well. All right, so this pretty much takes your agency video creation to the next level and allows you to really look professional by being able to send previews to your clients, and then once they pay you, you can deliver that option. Okay, and then also you'll have our sub users feature as a free bonus for taking advantage of this upgrade. Okay, so this is going to allow you to fully outsource this entire process if you'd like. Okay, so this will be a one-time payment of just $97, and you're going to be getting all those 3 things: the ability to create preview pages, the ability to create delivery pages, and the ability to outsource the entire thing with our sub users features. So if I come over here, all right, this is just an example of what a preview video may look like. You can see it says preview here at the top, and then you can add either a direct payment link, or you can embed a payment HTML code here. You can add anything you'd like, and then once they pay you, boom, you can generate a page just like this that won't have this preview button over the this preview over the video. All right, so Very awesome upgrade there. One-time payment, $97. And then upgrade number 3 is to be able to white label our entire Stoodaio Pages system. Okay, this will allow you to pretty much elevate your video marketing game even more by allowing you to plaster your own logo, domain, pretty much anything all over our system. Okay, which means anytime you send a preview link to your clients or a delivery link to your clients, all of your branding will show up instead of Stoodaio's branding, and that makes you look a lot more professional. And it also allows you to not for your clients not to kind of cut you out and go directly to us and buy their own Stoodaio account. All right. So again, you'll be able to add any domain you'd like to your Stoodaio account, so that anytime you publish a video on our Stoodaio Pages system, it'll have your domain, your logo, your branding on every single page. Okay. And this also includes our agency pages as well. So if you're doing both, if you're running offers, your own offers to your own pages, you can have your domain on those. A domain on those pages, and then if you're using a different company name for your agency, then you can have your agency domain connected to your agency pages. All right, and you'll be able to brand all of that as well. So if I come over here, this is kind of where that magic happens. You can see here when you're creating a new published video, you'll be able to add a domain, logo, and you'll be able to kind of change the primary color of the page to match all of your branding as well. All right. This will be a one-time payment of $297, which is a heavily discounted price, because being able to white label a system like Stoodaio should be way more expensive. Okay, just considering the fact that clients can easily see that you're using Stoodaio, create their own account, and then just completely cut you out. Okay, so this is a one-time payment of $297, and again, you'll be able to white label not only the main Stoodaio Pages system, but also the agency delivery pages. And here, like I said, you're going to be able to have your domain here show up instead of Stoodaio. You're going to be able to kind of customize the color of this page. You'll be able to add your logo to show up here in the top right, top left, all that stuff. All right, so that is upgrade number 3. Very limited time upgrade, and we will be charging a lot more for this once we go public. All right. And upgrade number 4, the fourth and final upgrade, is our Stoodaio Voice feature. All right. And this pretty much really puts your entire video marketing on steroids, because it allows you to create videos from any pre-recorded audio track. All right. So if you're podcasting, or you like to record your voiceover before, whatever that may be, you can come into Stoodaio and use any pre-recorded audio track, and Stoodaio will automatically turn that into a video. Okay, so if I come in here, you'll see that if you get this upgrade, then you'll have 2 options here. You'll have from script and then from audio. So if you click on the from audio option, you'll be able to upload an audio file instead of starting from a script. All right, so from there, once you upload your audio file, Stoodaio will go ahead and take that audio file, strip all of the text from the actual audio, and turn it into a video. And then once you edit the slides and all of that, then it will match the audio file back to your video, and everything will be synced up perfectly. All right, so that's kind of a quicker way to make videos as well. If your voiceover is already done, you can just bring it in here, get a video created from that, and take it from there. All right, and this will be heavily discounted, just a one-time payment of $67. And again, all of these are very limited. We're selling them extremely discounted as well. So that is the 4 upgrades that we'll be offering for Stoodaio. So make sure that you do pick these up during this launch, because if not, then you will miss out. We will be charging more. You can guarantee that. So go ahead and pick the ones that you like, or pick them all. It's really up to you.